Yo, good afternoon guys. I don't know, maybe the time, I don't know, I forgot. It's already 1:21. We are going to Sydney. I still have around 30 minutes for the bus to arrive, so we're just going to have a cappuccino, a coffee, and a croissant. Okay, the bus is done. And then we arrive here. Yeah, just a few meters from the bus stop. We are now here in the train station going to Sydney. I got this two thing. I am going to eat it inside the train. Yeah, it is allowed to eat in the train. If you notice, this kind of train is like an old one. See now the city of Sydney, and yeah, this is one of the not so good thing here in in the train. You don't really see the view because there are so many trees along the way. Pagmamahal ngayon ay nasaan. Yeah, I can sing because there's no so much people here this time, and we are now here in Sydney. There's no so much people like the usual one. But I still like this. Yeah, 2:10 when I left Nelson Bay, and the time now is 7:10. Look at that. How many hours is that? Very long hours of travel. We'll be staying here until 6 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah, because my flight is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Yeah, the timing is not really good for me this time because my flight tomorrow is 6 o'clock in the morning, and the time now is 7:10. Yeah, still 7 o'clock. Bright still. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to stay in a hotel. It's expensive, to stay in a hotel here in Sydney. It's more than $100 a night. Backpacker guest house, it's a little cheaper, just around 50 or less, but yeah, I don't know, or maybe I go straight to the airport and stay there for that's still long hours. I don't know if I can do that. Look at that guy, he's using the telephone while on the bike. Basically, we're coming from the central station, just right there. And from the central station, there are some universities like UTS and other university. And this is the George Street. It's like the main street here in Sydney. So as you can see, this is the map of Australia. We are coming from this area. This is Nelson Bay, and then Newcastle, Sydney. Oh, we're going to cross on the other side. And the traffic light here, it runs only for 7 minutes. Yeah, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After 7 minutes it will turn to red. If you compare to other country, other city, maybe around 20 seconds. Yeah, 20 seconds. Oh, not 20, not 7 minutes, but 7 seconds. Yeah, that's the new tram. I haven't experienced that yet. I want to experience that, but not today. I don't know, maybe later. Oh, now I understand. They actually changing the staircase. There was a escalator there before.
Anything else for you?
That's it. Oh, this is $11. We are going now to the airport. Yep. I check online the booking site how much is the stay for tonight, and it costs yeah, like what I said, more than $100. So yeah, I'm going straight to the airport and we'll stay there until tomorrow morning. Domestic airport, international airport, this way, mate. Yeah, the train that you're seeing on the other side is the tram, and this is the train, but we're waiting for this one. Oh, I am the only one who get down in here. Why? Nobody wants to go abroad. I think I need to stay in the hotel, any hotel near here. Okay, so we are at the moment in the Arncliffe station, and we are walking going to the hotel where I am going to stay for tonight. I will not be comfortable staying in the airport because the airport here has curfew. They will put you in a place just near to the station, and there's no sleeping place there. Those guys, a group of Deliveroo. Yeah, their bike is an electric bike. Nice. Okay, so this is the room that I'm going to stay for tonight. It's actually nice. Look at that, the bed and the toilet, shower, and this, and working table, a TV. Okay, yeah, I am leaving now. The time now is, oh, there's no clock here. Yeah, the time now is around 3:15, 3:20. And this is how it is. There's a mirror, there's a TV, there's the shower, a toilet bowl, a sink, and a working table, a coffee making, and where you put the luggage. I feel bad with this because very small quantity of garbage, but yeah, plastic wasting, not good. They just make it nice a little bit and it's ready to use, but I hope that they change it. We're going to just drop this according to Google Map, it's 31 minutes walk, so we are just going to walk. It is now 3:32. The temperature is a little cold. There is already the parking of the airport. The last time that I was here, they are still doing this construction of this area here. Now it's fully done. Yeah, that was a little tiring walking, especially if you are running out of time. I still have time The time now is maybe 4 o'clock. So 2 hours more before the takeoff of the airplane. The airport opens at 3 o'clock. Yeah, they are not open 24 hours for public. Yeah, they close from 11 o'clock until 3 o'clock. Also the train station, they start the operation at 3 o'clock. I didn't take the train because I don't want to wait for the train. So I want to be moving right away. That's why I walk. It's a 30 minutes walk. I spent $89 for a few hours of stay in the hotel. Yeah, because that's the cheapest and that's the nearest. Okay, we are now inside the duty free, as you can see here. I had a little problem because I didn't print my visa. I bought this. This is $29. This is a big help when you are traveling and sleeping in one seat. It's so good like this when you are going through express. You don't need to put it. It's good. We are now in the Dubai International Airport. I'm craving for rice. This time is a little good, the landing. I don't feel so much deepness because usually when I'm flying, I can't hear things clearly when the airplane is landing. I don't know where the other guys, the other passenger of the airplane, I think they are already gone or they are on transfer. Because right after getting off the airplane, I went to the toilet. I cleaned myself, brushed my teeth, and yeah, when I get outside, they're gone. I saw in the news that there are very strict procedure in every arrival of any airport. Yeah, due to the coronavirus. Yeah, in the airplane where I ride, also in Sydney, it's not really that strict leaving. I don't know about the arrival. Also, most of the passenger I'm with are normal. No one is wearing mask or it was like a normal flight. That was a very long hours of flight. Can you imagine 14 hours of flying? Yeah, not good. I don't really like it. And some of the passengers, they are on transfer. So from Sydney to Dubai, 14 hours plus the next journey. That's still long. So we are now here in the arrival area. And yeah, I went to the immigration, to the security, scan, and we are now here waiting to meet the people that I'm going to meet. No, I don't have any. Trying to figure out where's the Chowking because I'm hungry. I'm craving for rice. 2 days ago, I paid my house rent, and my landlord gave me, and because I paid the $1,000, then my landlord gave me back the $50, and so I have $50. So when I come here today, I have a total of $55, and I changed it to the money change, and I got this 110 dirhams. I checked online, and the Chowking is already closed here in at the airport. Yeah. So we're going now outside and look for the Chowking or Jollibee. Yeah, there is Jollibee here. Yeah, I got this card. This is the I forgot. Yeah, Dubai card for the train and for the bus. So I bought it for $25. Already comes with the $19 dirhams. 19 dirhams credit. So you can use it now to ride the train and the bus. It feels still the same from the last time that I was here.
Toyorani Emirat. The next station is Emirates.
That is 6 kilometers of travel, and it's just $20. No, 20 dirhams. Okay, we are now here in the festival city. Oh, ice cream. If you can see this Dubai London clinic, that is the partner clinic of the Australian immigration. Oh, this is a new one. Before it was just there, but now there is another extension here, and it's reaching this place, facing to the water. Oh yeah, it's much bigger now. That's the Burj Khalifa. That is where I was working before. So yeah, I have been walking, and they asked one Filipina. I said, "Are you Kabayan?" And he said, "Yes." I asked if there is a Chowking or Jollibee in here, but they said there's none. So we're just going to try one of those. Maybe Wendy's, McDonald's, KFC. I asked for any Filipino or something, but nothing. McDonald's here in Dubai is similar to Australia, just burger. This is my first meal here in Dubai. I bought it from Bay Chowpatty. Yeah, this is similar to the one in Australia. A mix, meal. This one is $36. No, 36 dirhams, including this. $55 that I changed. I now have just this 25 dirhams. Notice that there is no here. This shopping mall is a luxury shopping mall, as you can see. Big outlet. Yeah. It's praying time at the moment. We are going to stay here for the night. Yeah, this is a new place. When I was here 5 years ago, 4 years ago, it doesn't exist. I was working before on that side in the Festival City. Premier Inn. Okay, we are in the 7th floor. That's why it's gold estate, because the color is gold. And this is how it is. Oh, there's a mirror here. This is where to put the luggage. Wow, I have water, nice. And that's the oh, not good. This is my view. Good.